Department Manager here at JK Mechanical, and today's question is, what are the benefits of an on-demand water heater versus a tanked water heater? The first one is the warranty. An on-demand water heater is a 15-year warranty, whereas a tanked water heater is a 6-year warranty. So the benefits of the warranty are quite a bit different. The second one would be endless hot water. There's never a time that you're going to run out of hot water in your home if the unit is sized correctly and installed properly. The third and final benefit is efficiency. A tankless water heater averages 97% efficiency when it's in use. A tanked water heater is in the mid-80s. And if you think about the average home only using hot water 2 to 3 hours a day, a tankless water heater will only heat the water as it's being used, where a tanked water heater will need to regenerate hot water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you will actually save money by using a tankless water heater.